All right, so I was asked to show how I created the chart, and I was looking at it, and I created a macro that actually moved all the data over. But s- so in other words, customer service 110, 120, 60, 90, 300 all got relayed down here. So there's 1 week of customer service. There is the next week of customer service. There is the third week of customer service and the fourth week of customer service. So, customer service, customer service, customer service, customer service, and our total down here is 1385. So, over on the chart, by creating a pivot table, it became 1385. Um, in order to create a pivot table, insert pivot table, and then you select the data that you're looking at and insert a pivot table. And then from there, you can insert a chart, insert a pie chart. It's using the pivot table, and then you just manipulate the chart from there. And you can add data labels. Hope that answers your questions. Feel free to comment and ask more questions, and I will try to answer them as soon as I can.